When a student submits a project plan to your project proposal, it requires two approvals. First, it must be approved by the student's GWSPH Practicum Director. You will not be able to view or approve the plan until the Practicum Director has done so. Once the Practicum Director signs off on the plan, you will receive an email notification that looks like this. From here, you have two options. You can link directly to the approval form by clicking the first link in the email. Here, you will be able to approve or reject the plan directly from the form without having to log into the system. Alternatively, you can sign into the Practicum system via the second link in the email. Go to the Active Practicums tab in the main navigation, and then click Approvals. Make sure the Project Plans tab is selected. As you can see, the approval status says Pending. Now, click View underneath Approval Status. From here, you can approve or reject the plan. If you feel the plan needs to be changed for any reason, select Reject and write a brief statement about what needs to be changed. This message will automatically be sent to the student for edits and resubmission. When you're satisfied with the plan, click Approve. The plan is now fully approved and the student can begin logging hours in the system. For full details about the practicum process and next steps, please refer to the Preceptor Guidebook.